Hello guys, in this episode we will learn how to use external listener on multiple buttons in Kotlin. So start a new Android Studio project. Go to activity main.xml. Now drag a text view in our activity layout. Define constraint for this text view. Set the vertical bias of this text view. Now change the text color to Android black. Change the text size to 18 sp. Now change the text style to bold. Now drag a button in our activity layout. Define constraint for this button. Set the vertical bias of this button. Now change the text of this button to button 1. Now drag another button in our activity layout. Define constraint for this button. Set the vertical bias of this button. Now drag another button. Define constraint for this button. And set the vertical bias of this button. Now change the text of this button to Now change the text of button 3. Now go to main activity.kotlin. First create a new Kotlin class. Right click on package name, new Kotlin class. Give the name to this Kotlin class. Help click listener. Click on class and then enter. Now implements this class with view.onClickListener. So there is an error, so we have to override onClick method. Click Alt Enter and implements member and override the onClick method. So inside onClick method, declare a view variable. View equal to v null save operator root view. Since Kotlin has a null safety feature, so we have to use save call operator. In Kotlin, this symbol represents the save call operator. This means that it returns v.root view if view is not null, otherwise it returns null. Now use the when expression. In Kotlin, when replaces switch operator of Java language. When v null save operator id. Here find out each button id. r dot id dot button. Use the lambda expression. Here simply display a toast message when button is clicked. Toast dot make test context v dot context and our message button 1 is clicked. And at last duration and call the sort to display a toast. Now set the text of text view. So we can fetch out main activity text view from this view variable view null safe operator our text view id text view and call the text to set the text, and our text button 1 is clicked. Similarly for other buttons, now go to main activity.codelin. Inside onCreate method, create an object of helpClickListener class. Now add the click listener for each button. Button.setOnClickListener and pass the helpClickListener object. Button2.setOnClickListener helpClickListener and button3.setOnClickListener helpClickListener. Now we can test our application. So when we click on the button 1, a simple toast message is displayed. Button 1 is clicked. Also the text of this text view is changed. Similar for second button and for the third button. I hope you will understand this concept. Please subscribe my channel for getting more Android tutorial updates.